Hello everyone, this is James N. Smith with whoisjamesnsmith.com. Just want to do a quick video to show you how to get your own domain name. Maybe you want it to be something like yourname.com, and I'm going to do this with GoDaddy.com. I highly recommend GoDaddy.com. I have a link on my site. You should see it just to the right of this video. That shows where you can get it for $7.49 for your first year. Normally, as you can see, it's $11.99 for a year, so that's a pretty good discount. It's going to save you a little bit of money, about $4.50 off the first year. First thing to do is come up with a name. So you want to go to this box right here. It says Go next to it, and you want to click inside of here, inside of this rectangle, and type something in. And for instance, I'm going to use my name, James N. Smith, and I already know that this is taken, but I want to show you what it looks like both ways when it's available and not available. You can see right here it says that it's already taken. JamesNSmith.com is already taken, and it asks you if you want to try an alternative. If not, you can scroll down here and it gives you some different endings that are still available. You can get .info for $1.99, or over here on the right it's going to show some recommendations that are similar, like James N. Smith Today, or Best James N. Smith, James N. Smith Blog, different things along that line. But just for test purposes, we're going to pick something out of the blue, like let's say James N. Smith Business, and we're going to click search, and we're going to see that is available. Now you see what one looks like it is for available. It says JamesNSmithBusiness.com right here. You can go over here to the right, click continue registration, or down here at the bottom. If you choose, you can choose to add another one of these over here, or another one of these, and you can just see the price. Just click continue registration, and it's going to ask you for another opportunity to spend a little more money with GoDaddy. Now I'm going to just enter no thanks. You can do that if you want, or you can just enter no thanks as well. And it's going to take just a minute. It's going to take you to a registration page. So we're going to look at the registration page here, and just enter some information in here. Hopefully I can enter this information properly. And entering in my email address, company name. I'm just going to skip over that this time, and I'm just going to enter in some basic information just to get through here. You can tell my typing is up to date. And I'm going to enter a phone number. Just going to scroll right on down here a little bit, and we're going to go to next. And it has settings, how long you want to register for, and you can choose how long you want to register this for. For this purpose, I'm just going to put 1 year. But if you choose to do multiple years, it'll lock that price to $7.49 in for that amount of years. And right here it has registration contact information. For some reason you might have typed something in incorrect. You can just hit edit. It's just right here, but let's do the 1 year. Click next. We're going to move on. It's going to say privacy and domain protection. It gives you a couple more options here. And this is basically if you want to have private registration, which tells you here that it helps protect yourself from spam, scams, prying eyes, and more. For what we're doing right now, let's just go with the standard registration. There's no need to add any extra value at this point. And activate your domain name. It's just going to ask you if you want some emails. It comes with one free email address, which is what I would recommend at this point. But if you'd like to, for $2.49 a month, you can set up 5 additional email addresses. We're just going to skip over that for right now. We're not going to add anything else, and we're going to click next. It's going to take it just a second here, and it's going to move us on to the next page. And as soon as that does, You're in your shopping cart here. It's going to tell you here there's a slight bit of tax that I believe the ICANN fee. It's going toward the government, I guess. Not real certain on where that's going right there. But there's always someone that's going to get a little bit more, and then you're going to continue to check out. Right over here, it's going to give you your total. And if you have a promo code, which it'll already be at $7.49 if you followed the link on my page, so you don't have to worry about adding another promo code. Click continue to check out. And then if you already have an account, you can enter it here. If not, you can enter your billing information right down here. Just like that. Okay. So, and once you do that, it's just going to take you through a couple confirmation pages and some different things. Nothing that you can't walk through by yourself, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip back here. And I'm going to log in because I'm going to show you how you can forward your address. I'm going to log in right here, and this is basically you'll go to the same place that you were. It says I'm logged in. Welcome back, James. Log out and go over to my account. I have a couple of domain names, and I already have one forwarded, so I'm going to show you that. Right here, you can see I have a couple domain names. We're going to click on this one right here, just so I can show you what forwarding looks like. And once this comes up right here, we'll be able to, right up here at the top, you'll notice it says forward. You can just click on that. Forward domain. Once you click on the forward domain, no need to worry about what a subdomain is right now. It tells you that I've already got it set up to forward. So as you can see right here, if you're doing yours, you'll just type in what your address is. If you're already in a network marketing or an MLM business of some sort, maybe you have some type of other website, your Facebook page that you want this set up to forward to, you can just enter that information here, and then you can just hit OK. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate you coming and watching the video, and I look forward to helping you succeed. I want to make you as successful in your venture as you want to be.